this is a liquid drop on the solid surface in contact with air. Means there are three media which are coming in contact with each other: solid, liquid, gaseous. ठीक है? Here you are observing that the angle of contact is obtuse. Here you are observing that the angle of contact is acute and here it is obtuse. Let T1 be the force due to surface tension of solid and liquid. Liquid pair म्हणजे in between the two. T2 be the force due to surface tension for solid and air, and T3 be the force due to surface tension for liquid and air. Okay, I'll repeat. This is a drop of liquid in contact, placed on the surface of solid in contact with air. This is the acute angle of contact. This is the obtuse angle of contact. What are the reasons? That is what we are going to learn here. T1 be the force due to surface tension for solid liquid pair. T2 be the force due to surface tension for solid air pair. T3 be the force due to surface tension for liquid air pair. I repeat. T1 solid liquid, T2 solid air, T3 liquid air. It is observed that in equilibrium, Mulano, this derivation is not there, so nothing to worry. In equilibrium, जरा नीट आहे का? T2 is equal to T1 plus T3 cos theta. Students, tell me. हे इक्विलिब्रियम मध्ये हा फॉर्म्युला येतो. सॉलिड लिक्विड इज इक्वल टू सॉलिड एअर इज इक्वल टू सॉलिड लिक्विड प्लस लिक्विड एअर कॉस थीटा. और मला एक सांगा, T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 cos theta, और cos theta is equal to T2 minus T1 by T3. नीट आहे का? केस नंबर 1 हेच कळायचं आहे त्याच्यात. cos theta is T2 minus T1 divided by T3. If T2 is less than, we'll put it like this. If T2 is, you can take it other way around also. If T2 is greater than T1 but T2 minus T1 is less than T3. I'll repeat. T2 greater than T1 but T2 minus T1 positive but less than 1, then theta is positive but less than 1. Means cos theta is positive and less than 1. This is for the acute angle of contact. That is when the angle of contact is acute. I'll revise. Cos theta is T2 minus T1 divided by T3. If T2 is greater than T1, positive झाला, but T2 minus T1 is less than T3, cos theta is positive as well as less than 1. म्हणजे theta is angle of contact is acute. कारण cos theta जर positive असेल but less than 1 असेल, हे तुम्हाला already माहिती आहे. That because cos 0 is 1. If theta is positive but less than 1, then the angle of contact is acute. Next, बघा, if T2 is less than T1 म्हणजे negative and T2 minus T1 is less than T3, cos theta is negative and less than 1. Negative and less than 1 म्हणजे angle of contact is obtuse. If cos theta is negative and less than 1, theta is obtuse angle. Angle of contact is obtuse. Third case, if T2 is greater than T1 and T2 minus T1 is greater than T3 म्हणजे positive and greater than 1, That is not possible. Cos theta is positive and greater than 1, which is not possible. Why? Because minimum value of cos theta is 0, maximum value is 1. That's it. Case number 4. If T2 is, or we put it like this, T2 minus T1 is equal to T3. Numerator is equal to denominator. Then cos theta, if numerator is equal to denominator, then cos theta is 1. Means theta is, angle of contact is 0 degree. कळतंय? बघा हा. T1 force due to surface tension for solid liquid air, solid air. T3 liquid air. T2 is equal to T1 plus T3 cos theta. Equilibrium, this formula. You have to only write this formula properly. T2 is greater than T1 positive and T2 minus T1 is less than T3 positive and less than 1 acute. Negative and less than 1. Case number 2, theta is obtuse. If numerator is equal to denominator, cos theta is 1, theta is 0 degree. Angle of contact is 0. And if T2 is greater than T1, म्हणजे positive, and T2 minus T1 is greater than T3 means positive and greater than 1. That is not possible. म्हणजे that cases of angle of contact is not possible. You don't get any sort of angle of contact. That's it. Are you okay, students? हा एक पार्ट झाला. आता स्पेरिकल ड्रॉप वरचं थोडंसं शिकवते. शेप ऑफ अ लिक्विड ड्रॉप. Another important derivation but easy. बघत जा तुम्ही. Students, will be learning हा angle of contact ठरवतो. The derivation was important. Now we will be learning something called as Laplace's law or pressure of liquid drop. काय मोठं नाही. Consider a drop of liquid with pressure inside the liquid surface Bpi. Since the liquid drop is compressed form, the pressure inside the liquid drop is greater than the pressure outside, or Pi is greater than Pr, P naught, due to which the liquid drop undergoes expansion by amount see here. Consider a drop of liquid of radius small r. Let Pi be the pressure inside the liquid drop. Let the pressure of the medium outside the liquid drop be P naught. Since the pressure inside the liquid drop, pressure is compressed form of liquid है तो since the pressure inside the liquid is greater, as per the Laplace's law, liquid applies pressure on the walls of the container, the walls of the drop. P naught be the external pressure, due to which the liquid drop increases in radius by a very small amount, and that is delta r. Let r be the radius of the liquid drop with pressure Pi. Let due to as the pressure Pi is greater than P naught, liquid drop undergoes a very small expansion by amount delta r. So, what is the initial area of the liquid drop? 4 pi r square. दिसते का बघा? What is the initial area of the liquid drop? What is the initial area of the liquid drop before expansion? 4 pi r square. As the pressure inside the liquid drop Pi is greater than P naught, the liquid drop undergoes expansion. The expanded area is 4 pi r plus delta r the whole square. कहते हैं what is work done during the process during expansion of the liquid drop as the pressure inside the liquid drop is greater than the pressure outside it. The work done in the process during expansion, by definition, it is surface tension multiplied by the change in area. Surface energy per unit area. हे बघा, surface energy per unit area is called surface tension. कळतंय? घाला. Therefore, dW is equal to T. What is dA? Final area minus initial area. Now what is work done? Another form, force into displacement. Very easy. Work done is force into displacement, which is T into A2 minus A1. What is force again? Pressure multiplied by area, initial area, multiplied by delta R is equal to T into A2 is, we'll put it like this, A2 is 4 pi R plus delta R the whole square minus what? You get it as 4 pi R plus delta R the whole square minus A1, which is 4 pi R square. A2 is 4 pi R plus delta R the whole square. A1 is 4 pi R square. Done. Do the next job. Pi minus P naught. What about A1? 4 pi R square delta R is equal to, expansion गया कैपिटल T, ऐसा एक्सपांशन करा A स्क्वायर प्लस B स्क्वायर प्लस, ऐसा एक्सपांशन करून 4 पाला मल्टीप्लाय करते हैं टीचर. आय एम एक्सपांडिंग दिस A प्लस B द होल स्क्वायर. ते 12वीला मला सांगायची गरज नाही, राईट. सो इट इज 8 pi delta R square minus 4 pi R square. Are you okay? This gets cancelled with this. बचा क्या? बचा ये. Look here. Pi minus P naught into 4 pi R square delta R is equal to T. काय? T into 8 pi delta R इथं, sorry, 8 pi delta R. You may ask me, teacher, ह्याचं काय केलं? Delta R is a very small quantity, negligible quantity. कारण spherical drop जो घेतो ना, it's 1 millimeter in diameter. Students, imagine करा, delta R किती असेल? Very less. त्याचा स्क्वेअर घेतला, still less. एक्झाम्पल 0.1 चा स्क्वेअर घ्या, 0.01, 0.01 चा स्क्वेअर घ्या, 0. म्हणजे 10⁻⁴ झालं ते, नेग्लेक्टेड. बचा क्या? T, this cancels with this, 4 pi delta R negligible. बचा ये. That's it. अजून काय काय कॅन्सल होतं? कम ऑन स्टुडंट्स, डेल्टा R गया, पाई गया 2. Is it okay? हाँ? 4 pi, I repeat, 4 pi R square plus 4 pi delta R square plus 2 into 4 pi 8 pi R delta R. ही स्टेप आर गडबडीत माझी लिहायची राहिली. दॅट्स इट. आर यू ओके या? आता इथं आर राहिलं. 8 पाय आर 8 पाय आर डेल्टा आर. ओके, राहिलं काय? हा, डेल्टा आर balances, pi balances, 4 balances with 2, r square balances with r. What do we get, students? Pi minus p naught into r is equal to what? 2 into t. Or therefore Pi minus p naught is equal to 2t by r. If you consider the entire drop, you have to multiply it by 4. Okay? सांगते तुम्हाला मी पहिले हे रिवाइज करून देते. ठीक आहे? I repeat, consider a liquid drop of radius small r. Pressure inside the liquid drop be Pi. The inner pressure Pi is greater than the external pressure P naught. Hence, the liquid drop undergoes expansion by very small amount, and that is delta r. So, initial area is area of a sphere 4 pi r square. Pi is greater than P naught, so liquid drop undergoes slight expansion. Final area is 4 pi. Radius increase होता है by amount delta r. Okay. Work done is tension multiplied by change in area. A2 minus A1. A2 ची व्हॅल्यू घाला, A1 ची व्हॅल्यू घाला, एक्सपांड करा. जे काय कॅन्सल होतं ते कॅन्सल करून घ्यायचं. A1 work done is tension multiplied by area. Work done is also force into displacement. Force is pressure into area. That's it. कळतंय? Pi minus P naught. Area is 4 pi r square. ह्याच्यात delta r cancel. R square with r cancel. Pi cancel. 2 cancel. राहिलं काय? Pi minus P naught is equal to 2t by r. That's all. Okay? For today I will stop. I will continue tomorrow again. Bye for today.